we are talking about the different properties of the materials, and the next property that we will talk is transparency. So how will you be able to understand transparency? You can just hold a glass tumbler in front of your eyes and see through it. You can see all objects through it. So we can say that the materials through which we can see the objects clearly are called as transparent material, and this property of materials is called transparency. So glass is a transparent material. How do we define the transparent material? The material through which we can see all the objects clearly. It means they allow all the light to pass through them. Some other examples of transparent materials are clean water, alcohol, air, cellophane paper, and some kind of plastic bottles are also transparent. Next thing you can do is hold a cardboard in front of your eyes. Will you be able to see through it? No, you cannot see through that because it is an opaque material. How do we define opaque material? The materials through which we cannot see the objects are called opaque material, and this property of materials is called as opaqueness. And objects like metals, books, cardboard, and wood, they are some examples of opaque material. We keep our things in closed iron almirahs because they are opaque and nobody can see them through that. They will not allow the things to be visible. Next is there are some objects or there are some materials through which we can see the objects but we cannot see through them clearly. The image is not clear. So we can say that there are materials through which we can see the objects partially and not clearly, and such objects through which we can see the objects partially are called as translucent material. And this property, the property by virtue of which we can see the objects partially, are called as translucent material, and this property is called translucency. And we can observe this just by holding a butter paper in front of our eyes, and we will be able to see through it partially. Some other examples are grounded glass, frosted glass, fog and mist, etc.